Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English learning show where we speak slowly and clearly so you can relax and enjoy listening. My name is Sarah, and I feel very happy today because we are talking about something many people do every day in real life.
Hello, friends. I am Ali, and I hope you are feeling comfortable wherever you are right now. Maybe at home, at work, or on your way somewhere. I feel calm and ready because today's topic is very normal, very useful, and very easy to talk about in English.
Before we start the lesson, Ollie, I want to ask you a simple question like friends do in real conversations. How is your day going so far, and are you working today or enjoying a quiet morning?
That is a nice way to start, Sarah, because it sounds natural and friendly. My day is going well, and today I am working from home, which means I work in my house and not in an office.
That is perfect, because today's topic is called a day at work or working from home, and many people can choose where they work now. We will talk about both office work and working from home using very easy English.
Yes, we will explain words slowly and repeat them in different sentences, so listeners can understand and remember them. This topic helps you talk about your job, your routine, and your daily life with confidence.
Before we continue, we want to say something friendly to you because your support really helps us continue this show. If you like learning English with us, please like this episode, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who is learning English too.
Thank you so much for being part of our learning family, because learning together feels easier and more comfortable. Now let's begin our day at work, starting with the morning.
In the morning, I usually wake up early on work days because I like to have time to prepare. Prepare means getting ready slowly, without stress, before starting work.
I wake up early too, but when I work from home, I feel more relaxed because I do not need to travel. Travel to work means going from home to the office by bus, car, or train.
After waking up, I make breakfast and drink tea because breakfast gives me energy. Energy means strength to work, think, and move during the day.
I also eat breakfast, but sometimes I eat it while checking my emails, which are messages for work. Checking emails early helps me know what I need to do.
When I work at the office, I get dressed in work clothes and leave home on time. Leave home means going out to start your workday.
When I work from home, I still get dressed, but I wear comfortable clothes because no one can see me. Comfortable means clothes that feel easy and soft on your body.
At the office, I sit at my desk, which is the table where I work. I turn on my computer and start working on my tasks.
Tasks are small jobs you need to do, and every job has tasks. My tasks usually include writing, reading, and talking to people online.
At work, I talk to my coworkers, and coworkers are the people you work with. Talking to coworkers makes the day more friendly and less boring.
When working from home, I talk to coworkers through online meetings. Online meetings are meetings on the internet where people talk and see each other on screens.
Sometimes meetings feel long, and my coffee becomes cold before the meeting ends. This happens to many people, and it always makes me smile a little.
Yes, meetings can feel long, especially when everyone is quiet. I sometimes nod my head and hope no one asks me a difficult question.
During the day, I take short breaks because breaks help me rest my mind. A break means stopping work for a short time.
I take breaks too, and at home my break sometimes becomes a snack break. A snack is a small amount of food you eat between meals.
At lunchtime, I eat lunch with coworkers when I am at the office. Lunch is the meal we eat in the middle of the day.
When I work from home, I eat lunch in my kitchen, which feels calm and quiet. Quiet means not noisy, and many people like quiet when working.
After lunch, it can feel hard to focus, and focus means paying attention to your work. This is when I drink water and try to move a little.
I agree because afternoons can feel slow. I sometimes stand up and stretch, which means moving my arms and body to feel better.
In the afternoon, I finish my tasks and check my work again. Checking work means looking for mistakes and fixing them.
I also review my work, and review means checking something carefully. This helps me feel ready to finish the day.
When the workday ends, I shut down my computer and prepare to go home. Shut down means turning off the computer.
When working from home, the workday ends when I close my laptop. A laptop is a small computer you can carry easily.
One funny thing about working from home is that work and home feel mixed together. Sometimes I feel like I am always at work.
Yes, that is very true, and it is important to stop working and relax. Relax means resting your body and mind after work.
Now we want to ask you a simple question to help you practice English. Do you work at an office or do you work from home most days?
We also want to know what you like more, working at home or working at the office. Please write your answer in the comments, even if your English is simple.
Before we finish, let's repeat some important words naturally so they stay in your mind. Work, office, work from home, computer, and task are very useful daily words.
Words like coworker, meeting, break, lunch, focus, and relax are also common and easy to use. You can use these words to talk about your daily work routine.
You are doing a great job by listening and learning step by step, and you should feel proud of yourself. Learning English becomes easier when you talk about real life.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us today and learning in a calm and friendly way. Keep practicing a little every day, stay confident, and we will see you again very soon.
Take care, enjoy your day at work or at home, and keep believing in yourself.
Bye-bye, friends, and have a peaceful and productive day.